We're here, AP. I miss just having you guys in class, and I hope we get back to that sometime soon. But in the meantime, we're doing some online learning, and with your course, that means that I plan on having some time available to get some one-on-one conversation or class and group conversation. I hope you enjoyed the slight time off, but we definitely need to keep moving ahead with our content so that we have time to review before we get to our AP testing. So I want to spend just a little bit of time introducing you to our Microsoft platform. We slightly use Teams, but not too much this year with you, so we're just going to show you the layout today. And then I've got an AP Classroom assignment that'll go live on Friday, which is probably when you're viewing this. So let's check out the web page together. So this is Microsoft Teams, and it'll look a little different if you're not using a laptop. But the same idea is you've got tabs up on top that'll show us different things that we can make use of. You're going to have channels on the left that I'll talk about in a minute. And then this is our general page. In our general page, you're going to see assignments and things that I've actively done over the course of the week or so. Now, the tabs in the general are pretty important. You can get to OneNote by using your class notebook this way. And yeah, we're going to use OneNote still to turn in our homework. But we're going to utilize Microsoft Teams to turn it in. And I'll show you that and talk about it. But you'll see that there are other tabs up here too. And if you click on one of them, it lets you stay in Teams, but you can have access to the classroom while you're working on it, or an IXL, that's another one. There you go. It's there to make use of. So we'll be making use of both those things, as well as our regular assignments from the textbook. Now on the left, you've got your tabs, and there are two that I'm going to try and make use of for communicating with me. And questions and answers is just general questions that you have to type out. And if you guys are all caught on the same type of problem, and I see that we're having an issue with trying to solve a specific kind of problem, that gives us things to talk about on our Wednesdays or Fridays if needed, when we are meeting as a group to try and go over a problem or two. The meeting space is more about scheduling more one-on-one time with me. If you feel the need to go through some of the work with me. Now I have my my general times there for office hours that I'd like you to. I'll probably be making most of my one-on-one time with. So try and utilize that time throughout the week, for sure. Each week we'll have a channel 2 where I'll be posting what assignments we're working through and posting video of instruction and things like that, as well as bringing in other resources too. The general tab also has files, and under your files, that's where you're going to find your textbook and my online expectations. And I imagine a lot of teachers have these in place, and sure, I'd appreciate if you look through them too. Just a way we're going to organize ourselves when it comes to looking at this information together, whether we're meeting live or whether we're doing online classroom work throughout the week. Just expectations are in place and how to contact me. So the assignment I'm going to give you, like I said, is going to be an AP Classroom. You'll see it active, and so take a look for that today and get through the content so that next week we can spend time jumping back into where we left off in our chapter. Okay. Plenty of new stuff for you, plenty of new stuff for me. So we'll see how this goes. I'm hoping that it gives us a little more flexible of a schedule to assist you when needed. So I'm hoping that's going to work in our favor, so that we can get to a review, so we can start looking ahead to that AP test together. So, and who knows, one of these days we might end up calibrating my screen just for the fun of it. So, all right, enjoy the rest of your day. Hope you're not too stressed out. Take the weekend to just kind of de-stress a bit, and then we'll give it a go next week.